Yeah, we do this underground hip-hop thing, you heard? Afro style, fearless. I'm an underground soldier, boy. I thought I told you, boy. Move with the speed of thought, I'm roller coasting, boy. That's right, yeah. And the songs that I write be my guns and my holsters, boy. I shed rays in the expressions of light. That's right, like the sun making the rainbow, boy. I bounce these lyrics through time. It's like quantum physics. When I rip it and I spit a rhyme, up and away. You see mankind's lost, but I march for them anyway. Some say precious stones last forever, but the way I see things, the universal mind lasts forever. It's dual essence, birth physical from subliminal. It's a chemical reaction, like combined chemicals. I'm Mount Rushmore than a triple beam teaming up. I'm a ghetto East New York nigga, now that's what's up. I believe I can fly. I don't push a Benz, but I still gotta ride. I believe I can fly. I don't push a Bentley, but I gotta ride. I believe I can fly. Nope, don't got no rims, but I still gotta ride. I believe I can fly. Nope, don't push a Maybach, but I gotta ride. Yeah, Afro Blackie Chan, killing you. All about the audio, plus I got the visuals. And if I got you, I call up Liz, I mean Bobby, and get digital. Been thirsty for knowledge since I've been a child, and I use what I learned to cling, ring bells. And I've been getting busy with this hip-hop shit, they know me well. Hey yo, what up, what's good, let's spark it up, homie. Listen to the voice as I bounce it off the sounds, homie.